And what up everyone, it's Pirate Hacker again. And this time I got my good headphones on. Not like yesterday's recording. They're not bad headphones, but they're wired, so... Oh, I fucking hate when it does this to me. I'm done this for about 20 minutes now and it's fucking doing it again. Oh, I will just wait for this and I'll show you. I'll speak for this, I was doing this. As you can see, I got white canvas, grey canvases out the minute of targets. I'm going to show you how I turn these from normal grey targets in. I will make them do the material part to put pictures of Cyrax on it. So it's going to be how I make material and put the image onto the target. That's when this stops, you'll see over here. Oh, this guy's Psychosis. Go and watch this channel. And look up this guy as well, Music Biz Mardy. I'll show you Mardy's channel now. Alright. Oh, so it's done. Cool. I forget, look, I'll show you Mardy's channel in a sec. But you want to go and watch Mardy because he trolled the fuck out of this fucking dude there. I'm going to show you how I got to change some of these images. So you could copy and multiply the fucking targets. Otherwise I got to keep doing this. As you see, I put this one in here, but I gotta resize that shit. Good thing I can have it like that, or I can. I'm watching Shady for Christ before saying I'm a game developer and shit. Yeah, fat ass bitch, you couldn't develop a fucking burger. Actually, no, she could. That's how she survives and eats. She's like a hippo gone wrong. Fucking hell, I think I'm gonna have to have a big ass canvas outside in this game just for Shady on mind. The good canvas needs to be like half the size of this fucking floor in here to fit Shady on. Actually, no, I think she'd take up the whole floor in. Well, no, actually, she could take up most of it, and Footy Booty could take up the other bit, but I'm not putting them as flooring and shit in, yeah. They can end up as targets eventually on you, though. Must be shiny. But anyways, get back to shit racks, is it? Right, start with this fucker here. That's gonna annoy me because I know it's just dangling there. It's gonna piss me off now when I'm not set it anyway. It's either have it too far fucking floating above the ground or have it, oh fuck it, I'm just gonna do this. Alright, as you can see I've made two materials of Cyrax already. This is what I do, right click, go create, sorry got a split for my gob. Go create a material, so you get this bit. See that there? That bed up part. The one I got highlighted in blue. I just take a picture of racks. I put it up in there. I know he's upside down on that side. So what I'll do is, because it'll be on the other side as well, so it should be the right way around on the other side. If not, I'll have to spin the target around. The fuck, they want 12, you twat. There you go. And that's the new material again, the Cyrax. So that... Wait, what? I think I have to do with this spear then, because I done that. It's like my giant bugger. I got when I'm clowning stuck in my head now. When I'm clowning, I guess. If you don't listen to ICP, then you won't know what I'm on about. But some of you might hear Danny Brown. He was in in that track ICP. He goes really quick on it, he does. I mean, really fucking fast. But it's fucking awesome. I love fast rappers like that. That's why I like listening to Tech 9 as well, because he's a quick rapper. Right, more material. I could just replace the image on one material and just keep reusing that. All I want to do is I want to do this so I can extract it onto the computer, so if I have any problems I'll have all the material Cyrax ready, so I won't have to redo all this again. It's like the third time. I keep changing shit up or fucking shit up on it all the time. Right, let's put Scabhead on there. What a handful of shrooms, what it's got to be hollow. I remember a little bit of it, like, the hollow in the moon, like what's that called? He does it really quick. I'm gonna listen to that again later now. When I'm clowning. I fucking love that track anyway. And what I can do with this as well, I can just copy paste it, move it over. Cyrax scab head. As long as that fucking doesn't, some errors will interfere and will stop the game from running. Other errors will just come up and just meaning that stupid little shit. I think it's just because I'm potching with the Cyrax material. I think this might be causing that. This is for a mobile version, this is. I have got a PC version as well. I'm doing two fucking versions of this game. The PC version's got more like a sci-fi-ish effect in there as well. And I think I got a wine bottles and shit in there.
Nani?
Ow! That fucking hurt! Jesus Christ. There's my videos playing fucking Cyrax for the game. That's the PC one. It's a mobile version. They should have that fucking shit sorted already to adapt the fucking settings. You twats. Fuck's always something with this piece of shit. This is why people go into Unreal Engine and ditching fucking Unity because of bullshit like this. It's always something with fucking Unity. Let's install these fucking things quickly. I really wish I moved. Actually, yeah, there you go. Don't have to look at that scabby head. Oh, fucking hell. I can't get Freddy Krueger nightmares. And Krueger's a baby back bitch. I know Robert England done a good job of playing Freddy though, in the original Freddy's. Because I was the actor that plays Freddy. Wes Craven is the creator. I used to like Freddy when I was a kid. And I started having weird dreams. Anyway, enough about that. Alright, if you want to know what the weird dream was, I know no one asks, and I'm just recording, so this will be seen afterwards, but yeah. I had the weird dreams I was with Freddy. I was helping him kill. Then he's trying to kill me. Then I was helping him kill people again, and he's trying to kill me. I helped him kill. Then the last time he tried to kill me, I caught his as he would have swiped his hand at me. I caught him with a wrist, and I pushed his hand back and cut his own head off with his blades. Decapitated the cunt with his own blades. Never dreamt of him again after that. And that's why I called Freddy Krueger a baby back bitch. Come on, who would run from a guy with a fucking knife in his hand? He's a fucking pussy. If I seen Jason Voorhees standing one side of me and Freddy on the other side, and I had to run towards one of them, I'd run towards Freddy. Fuck running towards Jason. Fuck that shit. Right, what was that fucking... We go adapt the settings. Frame timing status in player. Ah, shit. I literally forgot what it was for a second, and then I seen it, but then I was like, boom, that was it. So back to this. Do my license a sec for this, is it? Didn't even load up, just fuck. I'm still doing. Click this to fix any missing scripts. Oh, fuck's my lighter on now? Every time I would fail, I would lose my fucking lighter. In the PC version, I'm gonna add the apartment building into it. And what I want to do with the apartment building is for each fucking room, and I'm gonna put names on doors. Like, if Music Big Marzi wants one, Marzi can have a room there, Glory Hall. If Danny Brown wants one, he can have a room up there. The side racks, fucking, wow, shooting range. Fucking forgot my own game. What the fuck? This is stressful, okay? Game designing. Especially when it's just you doing it. One person. I think there's a lot of things. The map place, doing the maps are actually quite the easiest bit. Just getting your starter point and building off it. Once you got that, it's not so bad. You can always adjust and change shit around on it to make it look better. The way Grand Theft Auto's got their maps, they're either manually done on the fucking on programs on here, like it's fucking mouse wire, fucking wire, hang on. Programs on the computer. I was getting my mouse, I can click it. Or they'll fucking, I don't know, or they use a map generator. They'll generate a certain type of map and they can change it around and shit. It didn't say no missing scripts wasn't found or shit, did it? Regenerate nodes. Look, the errors have just vanished. Wait a second, look. They may come back now, just give it a sec. I think that's when I put fix missing scripts. I think that's what this is doing right now. Unless the Android error shit comes back up. And I know it didn't. Oh, that's giving me some shit. What's it giving me? Our adapter things come up. I can't do shit to my adapter performance at the minute. I'll just open the earlier project. Okay, that's the mobile 3D one. And there's the PC version. I'm doing a space theme as well with zombies. Let's show you this one quickly. Oh, it's made everything go fucking. See how long I've been recording for, but clearly I can't see it. Oh, fuck off, man. Back only 21 minutes. It was loading up the other one. Jesus. Oh shit. Oh, I thought I saved it beforehand. I actually saved before the error problem, so hopefully it didn't accidentally would auto save over that. That's how it's doing it. And go to this one as well. To this guy's channel.
Yo, fuck it.
Yeah. I got headphones on that's loud as shit in my ears. But actually this. I was gonna have a look at the last file I just deleted, but I think it's just activation thing for Windows, and I think I've already done it. So it's not needed. Fuck, it's cold. Thank fuck for wireless headphones. Yeah, I got a colour blue with like blue dressing gown. A boy blue. I can't remember what bit. It was something else in front of that, but something boy blue. Juggalo. Oh, if there are any juggalos, Any juggalos come in, yeah, whoop whoop. I was gonna say juggalette as well, then, but yeah, a lot of fucking. You see that to a lot of female juggalos, they'll tell you I'm not juggalette, I'm no fucking whore. Cool. I was good to a family. Mass murder makes me happy. Dead bodies make me happy. Say what you will of me. Come on, always have juggalo family. Cause this bitch ass thing, everything's going slow. Excuse me. Pringles. I fucking hate when it does this shit. And whoever's been doing music on Cyrax, use the one and only track to fucking and make a diss fucking song ripping into Cyrax. Like I am the one and only someone Cyrax wish she could be. If I clicked YouTube down there, then it'll just take me straight to my page, and that short would have played. Hear the dog next door. As you can see, I get recommended a lot of Cyrax shit by N-Word Boy, Psychosis, Marty as well. Popped up. My favourite stooge, Curly, Daniel Larson. And you can see I watch tutorials as well. So you go down and you get these shorts midway through one man, you're like, what the fuck are these stupid fucking things? You get the shorts for there, you got these beers. The only probably good one will be this one, because it's Dave Chappelle. He's funny as fuck. I get problems with my keyboard sometimes, not every button fucking works. Yeah, look with Danny Brown there. I do not own the copyrights to this. ICP is Psychopathic Records, Jay and Shaggy, which are right below. You can see the guy closest to the camera, that's Jay. The one in the back is Shaggy, too dope. They own it, the Psychopathic Records of New York. They own all rights reserved to them and no one else. I'm saying all that before I play it. I'll put that in the description as well, won't I? Ah, for fuck's sake, you have to buffer now, you fuckwads. I know exactly why it's buffering, because this and that. Mostly this. Remember to put in the description afterwards, because my dumbass will forget. Right, I'm gonna end the recording here. But next time, till next time, sorry. Peace. So I can't even speak properly now.